What's going on, everybody? I'm Sha. This is the Dollar.Tree. Yes, we are back. I am very excited to do this video. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that liked the video. Please like the video on your way in. Hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. And yes, today's topic is definitely Vechain. 100, or should I say 300%. And it's still up around 250%. As of the making of this video, even though it has pulled back to this point. So, let's get right into it. So, I want to talk about three things in this video. Number one, Vechain and the projects. Number two, the Vechain move, massive 3.5-4 month move. And number three, investing for Vechain going into the future. So, let's start with the Vechain and the partnerships. In the product, Vechain, like I stated in probably the previous video about 2 days ago, I will put it up here, a card up here, about how it is an actual product with a working blockchain, with the cryptocurrency. All right, so it's official. You know, it's not launching any mainnets. It's not in progress. It's not working to scale. It's not doing any of those things. That is why Vechain, despite being disliked by many because it's an altcoin and a lot of consider that ish coins, despite not being liked, it is very productive for what it wants to accomplish as far as a company and a cryptocurrency is concerned. As far as the cryptocurrency, it's on its way to becoming that. All right. So the company, the partnerships, well, I think that they're working with Walmart, you know, going to the technology convention, possibly working with Amazon and a few others. I think as particularly definitely working with the Chinese government. I think that is one of the biggest catapults for why this coin has taken off. And then of course the recent rumors as you've probably seen throughout YouTube of them possibly being listed on Coinbase. Listen, if Vechain looks to get listed on Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, or any of those other major exchanges, expect another big move out of Vechain going forward. Now let's do a quick search, and this will tell you that Vechain, one of the most innovative blockchain companies, and listen, as of today, in July 2020, I could not agree more. I mean, they have accomplished so much. And here we go right here. It's partnership with Shanghai Gas, Walmart, H&M's sustainable deployment. They are making big moves. This is a very, 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 very good investment. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. And going forward, I expect them to make plenty more partnerships to help develop a more robust blockchain and blockchain solutions for a lot of these companies, you know, particular companies that want to be able to track their products so they don't, you know, lose a lot of money. So now let's talk about where's Vechain going. Well, I'll tell you what, from where it was in March and from it going up, you know, 200-400% to now, it is on its way to the moon. I think Vechain long term is possibly going to go to probably 10-15 cents for sure. Now here's the thing, no, I don't think it's going to go to 10-15 cents this year. No, not even remotely close. And if you are familiar with cryptocurrency and markets and investment, you would easily agree with me. Now down the line in the future, possibly, but I think everything when it comes to investment, you need to consult a professional, because I'm not giving financial advice. But what I will say, do I think the run is over? I don't know. You know, you got to look at the charts and see what the charts tell you. And even then, you know, that's not always 100%. Here's a screenshot that I took of Vechain when it was at about 1.5 cents. And you can see on this chart, on this overall chart that I was checking out, this was probably about 2 weeks ago, and it says on the 3-month Vechain was up 270%, 117% on the month, 72% on the week. And at the time of the screenshot, Vechain was 1.5 cents. And as you know, based on this, it says the historic high is 2.5 based on this exchange. We know that that can vary based on the exchange. Now let's check out Vechain's current price, right? So as of the making of this video, the current price of Vechain is 1.8 cents. All right, the 24-hour high is 1.9, and the 24-hour low, as you see up at the top right, 1.7. Once we take a deeper look into the chart, as you can see, I've shown you up here that on the 8th of this month, the actual high of the move itself was just about 2.2 cents. Now, this actually looks like it's even flagging for another move higher, to be honest with you. Don't quote me on it, all right? But I will not be surprised if Vechain continues to move past all-time highs and goes into a blue sky breakout the same way Link has recently. But if you've gotten into Vechain, man, if you were in Vechain right after that huge drop in March, you've fallen upon some great gains. Because since then, like I said, Vechain is up about 290, 300%. Since that fall, since the big market pullback from this whole, situation. But the next move that I'm looking for to catapult Vechain just a little bit further up is more listings. Get listed on Coinbase. Man, listen. If Vechain gets listed on more of these major exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, just to name a few, the sky is definitely not going to be the limit. It's not going to be the limit. So that's what I look for next. I look for Vechain to expand, to try and get more into these U.S. exchange-based markets. It's already, signed and sealed in the more Eastern exchange markets. But that's definitely what I look for to help continue to move Vechain forward. But opposite of that, it's a great investment. I mean, I think you can get it on Bittrex. I think you can get Vechain on Bittrex if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Hey, just to keep it simple, I definitely wanted to talk about Vechain and get that out. Where do I think Vechain is gonna go? I think within the next probably 5 to 10 years, you could see a 10, 15 cent Vechain for sure. For sure, it's possible. Anything can happen within 2 years time with the market, another event. Election year, hooliganism. So, it remains to be seen. But I think as far as in the long term, Vechain, because it's already an established blockchain, an established company with the cryptocurrency that's actually moving. Vechain has moved up closer towards a $1 billion market valuation, which is a big deal. Do I think it's going to reach $1 billion? Yes. Vechain definitely has the potential to reach a billion. But that's all I got for you. Please stay tuned for the next video. You can follow us on Instagram at the.dollar.tree. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm Leo Com. Appreciate everybody for liking and watching the video. Shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.